Hey everybody, Dr. Howard Cohn here at the Cohn Health Institute. So excited because I get to share with you one of my favorite new tools, the Rapid Release Technologies Pro 2. It's been phenomenal. So many things that we want to do with our patients to really help advance their health. This has just made it so easier. It's made it easier on me, but it's made it more therapeutically great for the patient. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this. It is a high-speed oscillating vibrational device like no other. It's almost 3 times as fast as anything else I've ever seen or tried on the market, and yet it only goes like 1/16 of an inch, so that you can actually make these kind of therapeutic changes you're looking to make without really insulting or causing so much high pressure and discomfort, which these other devices seem to do. So we've been loving it for that reason. It's got a bunch of different heads too, which you're not normally seeing in other devices, and if you do, you have to put them on, take them off, they break, all that kind of stuff. This is all in one. So let's go through just a little bit of some of my favorites. So let's say we're looking for a little, trying to get in these little muscles here, right? So hard. You can be doing all these different things with your hand. With a little tiny little knob here, we can just rub like this, rub like this, rub like this. So we can turn it, turn it, turn it, or move back and forth. You can zigzag a little bit. As long as it's moving, it's going to work phenomenally. So we have a little device that kind of gets into nook and cranny muscles. Next thing I love is this one right here, because it's soft and padded. So many devices don't have anything like this. With something like this, let's say I have a bony surface over an elbow, okay? Underside of an elbow, over a bony area. Just phenomenal, 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 and feels so comfortable to do. We have another area about the size of a quarter. So neat because this just glides. It glides over just phenomenal over these traps over here, down that tricep, that bicep will glide over muscle, over clothes. If you have a hairy gorilla like me, it's been phenomenal. You can just use it like that. Just another great tool. And yet there's 2 more. It looks like there's just 3, but there's 2 more. We have the soft head right here, which we can just go back and forth like this. Now, if Rebecca was lying down, or if she's just sitting like here, we can just go right over her quad like this, right over this rectus femoris muscle here, and it's just great. You can let the weight of this device really do the work for you, which you're gonna love, she's gonna love. Lastly, one of my favorites is the spots in between, because this goes perpendicular, where you can go up and down. I don't know if you can see it on the film, but you can go up and down, let's say, tensor fasciae lata muscle, you know, your IT band for those you runners who, you know what happens to that after years of running. Oh, so great, so great. You can do your own everywhere. So lots of choices, rapid release, gotta pick one up.